Hi, my name's Carmen. I'm one of the physicians, yoga teachers, and meditation instructors at the Garuda Center. And I wanted to take a moment to tell you about one of the groups that I'll be running starting in January. It's an 8-week group, and it's called Exercise is Medicine. What the group will look like is we'll have half hour, 45 minutes of exercise together as a group. This will be done over Zoom, and then we'll have a conversation about this afterwards. Because so much of the time with exercise, there's a certain type that works for every individual, and also being able to have the support as a group. Hopefully this is something that we can make work for you for any type of ailments like anxiety, depression, chronic pain, fatigue, insomnia. Exercise is such a powerful tool, and it actually does so much for our brain. So I'm really excited to share all of this information with you and for us to work as a group together. Feel free to check out the website for any more information, and we'll see you in January.